Hello friends, this video is in continuation to my last video. The link to the video is given down in the description. In this video, we will learn how to exactly use Colspan and Rowspan in an HTML table. Hey everyone, my name is Chogyal and I am from Bhutan. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I'm going to break down 6 examples about using Colspan and Rowspan. Example number 1. Merging a cell with the lower cells. In order to merge a cell with the lower cell or cells, you have to use Rowspan. Let's merge this cell till here. You will notice here there are 7 cells together. So the Rowspan will be 7. We are going to merge the cells from the number 1 to 6 with this cell serial number. We have to add Rowspan equals 7 to the cell serial number and remove the lower cells from the number 1 to 6. Now go to the TT tag of the serial number and add here Rowspan equals double inverted comma 7 double inverted comma. Then remove the TT tags from the cell number 1 to 6. Here we can see we have successfully merged the cells. Example number 2. Splitting a cell into 4 cells in a particular column. Let's split this cell 12 size A into 4 cells. Go to the TT tag of 12 size A and add 3 more cells as shown here. Here we have to keep these 4 cells in one column under the header class. So in this column we have to add Colspan equals 4 to all these cells except the cell 12 size A. Go to the header cell class. Add here Colspan equals double inverted comma 4 double inverted comma. This means we are creating 4 imaginary cells so that it can fit with the lower 4 cells. Now this cell class becomes the 4 imaginary cells as we have added Colspan equals 4. The 4 imaginary cells will fit with these 4 cells in this particular column. Hereafter you can add Colspan equals 4 to all these cells except to this cell 12 size A. Here we have successfully split the cell into 4 cells. Example number 3. Reducing the imaginary cells. 1. Let's split this cell 12RA into 2 cells. Under this digitag of 12RA, add one more cell. This one cell is extended towards the right, so we have to reduce one imaginary cell from the cell 12RA. Go to the digitag of 12RA and reduce the Colspan by 1. Example number 4. Reducing the imaginary cells. 2. We will split this cell 12A into 3 cells. Go to the digitag of 12A. Under this digitag, add 2 more digitags. Let's say accountancy and commerce. These 2 cells are extended towards the right, so we have to fix this. Go to the digitag of 12A and reduce the Colspan by 2. Now it looks much perfect. Example number 5. Merging a cell with a lower cell. Let's merge this cell 96.8 with the lower cell 95.8. Just add Rowspan equals double inverted comma to double inverted comma to the digitag of 96.8 and then remove the digitag of 95.8. Example number 6. Adding a cell between merged cells. We will add a cell before Durji. Cut this cell serial number and paste after Durji's row. Reduce the Rowspan to 4 as the cell serial number will match with 4 cells downward. Add an empty cell before the header cell name. Now add here Rowspan equals double inverted comma to double inverted comma. That's it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel Sir Chogyal. Thanks for watching and goodbye until next time.